Welcome back to Coyote Classics here in Green, Iowa. Today we're checking out this 1970 Pontiac GTO Convertible just put on the website for sale. Just a great looking, real deal GTO convertible. A hard car to find. Just mechanically awesome. This one, when it came in, I think we showed in our last walk-around video, there was about 50 things mechanically that we went through and did on this one, and it turned out awesome. We got the air blowing cold, runs and drives great. It's powered by a correct GTO engine. There's a YS code GTO 400, which is would be the correct engine for the car.
It's pretty cool. It's got all the Ram air stuff as well. How many GTOs do you see with all the Ram air, the cable, the whole works, you know? And then cold air conditioning, power steering, power brakes. It's a really good car. Probably the only downfall, the worst downfall with it is just an old restoration. It's probably 15, 20 years old. Nice driver condition car, cruise night car.
Yep.
So you can jump in and have fun.
Correct. So the paint, you know, from right here looks great, but like when you get up close, being that it's about 20 years old, you're gonna have some little chips that have been touched up and just some little.
It's just got some little tiny little scratches.
Yeah. Just makes it more of a driver quality. Makes it, you know, not a $80,000 GTO convertible, which a lot of these are.
You know what? I really like the color as well.
Yeah, it's a neat color with the judge stripes.
Front nose isn't all cracked up either. So many times that Enduro bumper is cracked up. I don't really see any cracks anywhere on the top of that Enduro bumper.
You want to do this one?
Sure.
I'll take keys.
The stripe package is pretty cool too. Obviously a Judge clone. This is not a original Judge convertible, but it is a original GTO convertible. So just the decals and then the decals in the inside. Windshield looks good. And this is one of my favorite cars in the lot right now just to drive.
Yes.
You know what I mean? Because if you got a chip on it or you park it downtown, you're not like totally freaked out. You got a, you know what I mean, a $40,000 paint job on a car. It's super fun to drive. The bottom of the door fits really good on the back side and front side as we look up and down the back side here. It's got the correct dual exhaust tips. Back bumper looks good. It's got one tiny little imperfection right there. Other than that, quarter panel looks awesome. Make sure you go to our website, coyoteclassics.com. Check out the undercarriage photos for yourself. Really good undercarriage on this one as well, solid. I thought.
You can see that when you look at the corners of the doors too. You know, just really solid car.
Yeah, they started with a good one. We put new rubbers on the doors. Door panels are, again, the whole car was restored 15, 20, 25 years ago. That Nova looks cool, don't it?
Yeah, it's a cool car.
I almost had it just, that thing's awesome. All right. Back to the GTO. Got distracted. All right, door panel is awesome. Base pad's nice. The dash pad is excellent, except for there is one little hairline crack. Hard to even see in the video. Just a very little one right up top. Now, this has got tilt steering, which is a great option. And when it came in, that steering wheel was so loose. I'll show you in a little bit. We took it all apart, put all new bushings in it. It is absolutely awesome now. The dash is in great shape. It does have an AM/FM digital radio that works. If you don't like these gauges in the console, not a big issue. You can get this piece here for probably 40 bucks and put a new one in, but I kind of liked how they did that and all the gauges work properly.
Yeah, it's not, I like that it's not like there's gauges hanging onto the dash,
right,
you know?
Yeah, you don't even really notice it. Back seat is excellent. Seat belts in the front, seat belts in the back. They're the correct GM. The top is in good shape too. That's a black power top. As we look inside the trunk here, look at the bottom of the trunk lid. Absolutely rust-free under there. No body filler or nothing. Super cool. It's even got the jack in its correct place. Again, the trunk is super clean in it as well. It's got the BFG brand new tire for a spare. Jack's down in there as well. Thinking it's gonna rain again on us?
The radar says not till about noon, so should have some time.
Trunk lid really lines up nice too, if you look here at the bottom here. Taillight lenses are good. I really like this car. You know, now that we got it done, it's just not even the same car.
No.
They did fill in this years ago. There used to be a little line here on each side. They filled it in, but I don't see any cracking or anything there. So they did it right with lead there. Bottom of the corner of the door on the driver's side, front and back, fits excellent as well. Really good body lines, nice straight old car. Corner of the The quarter panel's in great shape all throughout. It's excellent there. No issues. Front edge of the quarter is great as well. Bottom corner of the door is nice. Same thing up front. Back corner of the hood fits really good. And the windshield looks good. Even the top of the dash. So many of these old cars, especially in a convertible, it's going to be surface rusty and all pitted. This is not. It's perfect there. Very, very nice. And this is nice. So many times you're going to see bubbles and rust under this.
Yeah, it's a really good solid car.
Driver's door, rust-free. There's your bottom of the door. Door panel is excellent. The carpet is just coming a little tiny little bit loose right here. Probably could be glued just a little bit there. Armrest base pad. I'm just gonna give a little shout out to Tim. He did a freaking amazing job on this. He worked on this for like 6 days.
Yep.
Just really did a good job here. It also has the hood tack. That works as well.
Yeah, it's got a lot of really great options. You know, with the
we did take the seat out. We put new seat spring in it because it was just kind of beat down. Put a new seat spring in it, put new padding in it, and now you sit up and you feel good.
Yeah. On the driver's side.
Yeah. Here's your gauges. Got great oil pressure. Volt gauge works as well. Temp gauge is about 120, so she's not quite warmed up yet.
Radio works. Sounds good. It's got a retro sound radio.
Here's your AC. We'll get that going here. You can tell it kicked in. My idle went down a little bit here. We got one wiper. You know why? Because I had to order a brand new wiper.
Oh, for the driver's
yeah,
side?
I got one coming.
So we'll have 2 wipers.
Yeah, they will both work. It's just that one doesn't have an arm, so it's on its way. Here's your AC, and that blows nice and cold. Feel it?
Power top work.
And look at this.
Yeah, that's nice.
Nice tilt wheel. It's super nice.
Tight.
It's got the nice kick panel speakers down in there as well.
Yep, both sides.
I'm gonna go ahead and shut the air off. We don't need that going.
Radio sounds good.
All right, I'll tell you what sounds better. The sound of these tires squealing and this 400 engine, man. You hear it just, it just sounds good, don't it? Here's got the cold air deal down here.
Ram air lever.
I had Brant get that fixed too.
Nice.
Not that it really does anything. Oh, it's supposed to add 15 horse.
I doubt it.
Back in the day, I don't think it does shit. But it's cool.
But it looks cool. Yeah.
It's kind of like the cowl hood on the Chevelles, you know, that's always neat too. Let's just go through the gears with it, shall we? This thing, I mean, I misspoke. It didn't burn the tires, it just went.
Yeah.
Didn't it? Brakes are perfect, no pull left or right. The steering wheel is perfectly straight. Now we're just gonna leave it in drive. And the transmission's nice and solid. It was a really good shift there. Steering is awesome. Tack works on the hood.
There's some tire squeal.
5,000 RPM shift. Look at this thing. Isn't it nice?
It is, yeah. Drives awesome. The boys did great.
90 at 4,000 RPM, and there's not a wiggle in this car.
No, we did a bunch of, didn't we do a bunch of front end work too?
Everything.
Yeah. That handle's awesome, man. They did great. Made a great car out of it.
Again, high-speed braking. It's just a great, dependable car, and I'm gonna just throw another shout out to the team in the back, all 11 mechanics that we got working there. We took a car that this poor old car looked good, you bought, and needed 50 things that we wanted to do.
Just mechanically, just was not this. You know what I mean?
Yeah, but now it's just like the whole car has been like transformed, man.
Yeah.
Now it's just something that somebody's gonna enjoy for years to come.
Yeah.
Because of what happened.
Exactly.
Right?
Yep.
Rather than just leaving the side of the garage and not enjoy driving it.
Yeah.
It just snaps you back in second, third.
Man,
somebody's gonna love it.
Yeah, it's a great car. Check this one out on our website, coyoteclassics.com. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you never miss another car. And thanks to those of you who are subscribed. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.